At 1 o'clock, we're going to talk about you as the expert. How do you position yourselves as the expert in the space? Because that is very important. One thing I will say is I don't coach losers. I don't train losers. Do I train losers? I don't train losers. I only train winners, right? That's it. Which means in order to be a winner, you got to tell people that you are, and you can't be afraid to do it, right? We haven't gotten as far as we've gotten with the people that we've served because we've played small. We go in just like we have a $100 million budget, like nobody can do it better than us, and we win, right? We place or we win, but we secure the funding. And so, but that comes from being comfortable in your work, being comfortable in your expertise, being comfortable and people understanding that if I don't do my job, I can't serve you all. I have to tell people I'm the best, because if I don't, I'm doing you all a disservice. If I don't think I'm qualified to walk in an authority to train you all, I don't need to be here today. And nobody needs to believe that I can do this. You all have to have that same mentality and be okay, because it's bigger than you. I'm an introvert, and people don't realize that. I'm gonna sleep real good when this is over today because I'm gonna be exhausted mentally. And if I don't talk a lot at 5:30, it's not personal. The introvert in me shuts down. But I know when I have to be on for the mission, and that is your responsibility as well.